Everybody, in today's video we will learn together how to make a Zoom meeting. First open the application, then try to click here, schedule, and then write any name here for the meeting. For example, German, then done, save. After this, many options will appear to you. Start or chat or add to calendar or invite or delete. First invite the other person through the link. After that, start the meeting. Start the meeting, the voice will go. Here, what the point I want to talk about. I've pressed the three dots and then many options appear to me, but there were no recording option because I am opening from the phone. So you must open from a laptop or computer and the recording option will appear to you. That is all. See you in another video. Goodbye.